Hey everybody, Pete Greco with Productive Corporation here. Today I'm going to give you a quick look at Sophos Cloud Optix. Make sure you check out my other videos, The Case for Cloud Optix and Getting Started with Cloud Optix. All right, let's get this started. Okay, so we're logged into the dashboard. We can see a lot of information about our environment right off the bat. Now, I'm connected to Google's GCP as well as Microsoft Azure. I could add in AWS if I had machines there. If I want to look at individual environments, I can come up to the filter and filter everything out. If I want to see everything together, I can add it in here. I can start drilling into the alerts and getting actionable information right off the bat of getting this connected with my environment. To do so, I can click in a couple of different areas here on my alert windows, over here on my top alerts pane. I can also do some quick links from the middle. If I've had any changes to my environment, I would see that information here. Here you can see what's updated in my Azure environment as I provisioned an additional server today. I'm getting some information right there regarding network, storage, and hosts. Let's click on some of these alerts and see what's going on. Over here, I can see which cloud environment this alert is contained in. We can see the severity. I can sort by any of these fields here. If I click on more details, then I'll get some actionable information on how I can go out and start remediating this alert. Here I'm getting step-by-step instructions on what to do. Sometimes it's going to be a link to an instructional document. It kind of depends on what the situation is. I've got some compliance tags, as you can clearly see, and I can go page after page and start getting my environment in the shape that I need it to be in. Now, once I've gotten a lot of work done, I'm going to still need to have visibility into what's going on. So I can hop into my inventory area here, and I can see my two cloud categories, and I can see a lot of information here. This information is drillable, so I can click on it and start getting more and more information about what's going on, in this case with my storage account, SQLs and databases, lots of good info there. I can click around down here and get that detailed information as well. If I go to the topology section, now I can get a diagram of my environment, and here's my Azure environment. And here you can see my machines, north, south, east, west traffic. And I really don't have a ton in my environment, but if you did, then you would see something that looks a little bit more like this. All of your devices together, or I guess I should say virtual machines together, right? And then how they're connected to each other, or if they're not. You can see I've got some IP information here and how they're accessing to the internet, or if they're not. As I come into the compliance area, here's where I can start configuring what rules I have on or don't have on. So for example, if we weren't worried about HIPAA, right, I can come over here and disable this rule. Right, and now that's off. But PCI we are worried about, so maybe I want to hop in here and start customizing this. If there's alerts that are classified with a different severity from what I need them to be, so for example, maybe we've got this set to low, but I really want to have this set to medium or high. I can modify those there. I can also suppress any of these alerts that maybe I feel like don't apply to me. So now I'm not going to see this pop up at all. If I need to get more info on these, I can always plus them out and see that information here. I can rename that tag if I wanted to, or the policy name. Pretty slick. And I can search for things up here. I actually should have shown this earlier. This is, I think, pretty slick. right? And I can start searching for machines that are tagged, network resources, whatever, if I just want to see visibility on one specific thing. So lots of neat stuff there. And then as I come down to the reports now, I've got some capability to simply view the details, right? Export to a PDF or a CSV file, or see the history of what's going on. So really a pretty great tool for getting control over the security aspect of a single cloud, single public cloud environment, or multi-public cloud environment, mainly featuring Azure, GCP, and AWS. So check it out. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, see a demo, see pricing, see how this can apply to your specific cloud environment, reach out to your Productive Corp account exec. Check us out, help@productivecorp.com. Thanks for watching.